and functions. Exercise number 1.1, question number 12. So that the relation R depend in the set A of all triangles as R equal to set of T1, T2 such that T1 is similar to T2 is equivalence relation. Consider three right angle triangles T1 with the sides 3, 5, 4 and T2 with the sides 5, 12, 13 and T3 with sides 6, 8, 10. Which triangles among the T1, T2 and T3 are related? First, we want to prove that R is an equivalence relations. Solution. The relation R depends as T1, T2. The set of T1, T2 such that T1 is similar to T2. Similar to T2. First, reflexive. Clearly T1, T1 belongs to R. Since T1 is similar to T1, that is every triangle itself similar. Therefore, R is reflexive. It's symmetric. Symmetric. Let T1, T2 belongs to R. That is, triangle T1 is similar to triangle T2, which implies T2 is similar to, similarity is reversibility, T1, which implies T2, T1 belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Symmetric. Next conditions, transitive. Transitive. Let T1, T2 belongs to R and T2, T3 belongs to R. That is, T1 is similar to T2 and T2 is similar to T3, which implies T1 is similar to T3, which implies T1, T3 belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Next proof. Which of the triangles among T1, T2 and T3 are related? Now the sides of the triangles. The sides of the triangles T1, T2 and T3 respectively 3, 4, 5 semicolon 5, 12, 13 and 6, 8, 10. Consider the triangles T1 and T2. Ratio of their corresponding sides. Three by 5, 4 by 12, 5 by 13. These are not equal. We know that in similar triangles the corresponding sides are proportional. Now the corresponding sides are not proportional. Therefore, T1 is not similar to T2. Therefore, T1, T2 is not belongs to R. Now consider the triangles. Consider the triangles T1 and T2. Ratio of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides. 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10. These are equal to 1 by 2. Same ratio. Therefore, T1 is similar to T3. Therefore, T1 is related to T3. T1 is related to T3 or T1, T3 belongs to R. Now consider the triangles. Consider the triangles T1, T2 and T3. T3. Ratio of their corresponding sides. Of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides. 5 by 6, 12 by 8, 13 by 10. These are not equal. Therefore, T2 is not similar to T3. That is, T2, T3 not belongs to R. Therefore, only T1 and T3 are related. Now, question number 13. So that the relation R depend in the set A of all polygons as R equal to set of P1, P2, where P1 and P2 have same number of sides, is an equivalence relation. What is the set of all elements in A related to the right angle triangle T with sides 3, 4 and 5? First we going to prove that R is an equivalence relation. Solution for question number 13. Solution. Now the relation R equal to P1, P2 such that P1 and P2 have same number of sides. P1 and P2 have same number of sides, same number of sides. Same number of sides. First, reflexive. Clearly, P1, P1 belongs to R for any polygon with equal number of sides. Here, since P1 and P2 are same polygons, P1 not P2, P1 and P1 have same polygons with the same number of sides or equal number of sides. Same number of sides. Therefore, R is reflexive. Next, symmetric. Let P1, P2 belongs to R. That is, P1 and P2 have same number of sides. Same number of sides, which implies P2 and P1 have same number of sides, which implies P2, P1 belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Next, transitive. Here take two relations. Let R1, P1, P2 belongs to R and P2, P3 belongs to R. That is, P1 and P2 have same number of sides and P2 and P3 have same number of sides. Which implies P1 and P3 have same number of sides. Therefore, P1, P3 belongs to R. Hence, R is transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. Now, T is a right angle triangle with the sides 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, the set of all triangles in the set A is related to through T, since the triangle is a polygon of 3 sides. Okay.